from AML department. I have done this project called Intelligent Examination Submission Framework. This is the Review 3 PPT. Let me move into the content of PPT. This is the agenda that we have in our PPT. The introduction, I give a short introduction. It is an learning management system such as Moodle have become a central platform for our project, in which we are submitting the CA paper of the student using our customized website. And the statement of the problem that we have manual efforts, human errors will be reduced, security risk will be not compromisable, lack of student verification that is not required for our project due to framework that will verify each and every identification and the credentials of the students. And we have all the scope of our project like functional scope, technical scope, institutional scope, and substance methodology, answer script digitalization that we have upload our answers script in our website, which will be displayed to the both staff and student if the staff approved by the staff. And we have a secure bulk upload by staff. Staff can be upload the various number of CAA papers of different students. It will be mapped to separate student through the website. We have all the methodology in student verification, preview, student authorized submission, etc. Then we have an architecture diagram that we can see here. This is the architecture diagram where we have two portals, staff portal and student portal. This is the two types of website which will be accessed by the respective staff and the student separately, in which we have authorization for each website. The staff portal must be authorized by the staff only with their credentials, likewise for students also. Why we have two portals means the staff will upload the CAA paper from the exam cell, and once the staff upload and approve it, then the student will be able to view the exam paper in their own portal. Then the student must be give approve to their own paper so that the CA paper will be mapped to the subject teachers. Then they can correct it and give the grade. This is the structure. We can see the design use case diagram here, where we have a system called a login. Then we have to upload the papers by the staff. Then the paper must be viewed by the student in their portal, and they have to submit it to the LMS. After it's submitted to the LMS, the Moodle teachers can view and audit it. This is the design class diagram where we have separate class diagrams where we have each values to be mapped to the students and teachers. This is the sequence diagram and the upload workflow, in which staff upload file, and in that API will save artifact, which is nothing but the saving option. In this save option, it will save the CAA paper to the student portal. Then it will return some return ID with the meaning of success. That success response would be received by the staff. If any not success response is received, which is in the term of report, that will be viewed by the staff in their portal. This is the sequence diagram for the student side. In student side, they will submit a request. Like they must view the PDF approved by the staff portal, and then they will submit their PDF to the LMS. And we can see in this. They submit request, then the API will submit the paper to the Moodle, finding the correct subject code, finding the correct subject CAA paper, correct options, and it will receive the success message. Bulk upload of answer script, which is the examination cell that teachers were upload the all the CA papers at once with different subject code with different learners register number and different websites. They can be upload the paper at once. That paper will be automatically updated and mapped to the separate student with our algorithm. It will start mapping automatically with the student identification and verification, and the student authorized LMS submission will be approved automatically through the transaction ID generated by our framework. And the hardware and software selection, we have it is an minimum of hardware like 8 GB RAM with 1 GPS of network. In the software side, we have used Python techniques 3.10 plus percent, and we have fast API and Unicorn post Grad SQL for the database, and the Moodle LMS API we have used for the submission of CAA paper from the students to the LMS. And we have some key libraries which we are used in this project. Likewise, fast API that you can see here. This is implementation, which is nothing but the staff upload through their staff portal, and the API will fetch the paper and map it to the student, corresponding student with the register number mapping, and then they by approving it will be uploaded to the LMS by the student portal. Then you can see here. This is the sample code that we have given from our project. This is the important code like mapping services, how the subjects are mapping. That the code is displayed here. You can see that through the subject code, subject name, Moodle ID, Moodle password, and everything. We have mapping work here. This is the workflow status that you can see here. It will show a bending or bending review, validator, ready for review, logged by user, uploading, submitting, etc. These are the workflow messages that will be viewed. This is the output of our project. We have the dashboard of students that we can view here. This is the home page where we have subjects as code in this CA paper will be viewed by scrolling method, and each student subject code, subject name, register number, PDF, everything will be shown here with the updated date. You can view that on clicking the report, we will enter the corresponding students register number, subject code, and the file description. On submitting the report, it will map it to the student portal that you can see here. This is the view review page, and that you can see some test cases that we have added here, like user registration, user login, file upload, upload files. This is the conclusion. In the examination, this system is extensible, secure, and adaptable for development in real-world educational institution, making it a strong foundation for future enhancement, such as analytics, plagiarism detection, and automated grading pipelines. These are the future goals that we will moving forward. Our future work is to enhance it by integrating advanced AI-based analysis to improve accuracy and efficiency. Features like automated spot notification, predictive suggestion that we will looking in the future work. These are the reference paper that we have referred for our project, like Moodle submission, API for integration, first API, postgrad, SQL for the database mapping, and etc. Thank you. This is the live demo of our project. As you can see that staff login page is having, and we also have student login page. This is the dashboard of staff login page, which have the file name, register number, subject code, all that details are in a dashboard in which we have an edit option. For each file uploaded, we can make changes. When I'm login with the student ID in the student login page, which the corresponding student register number, that is 12-digit number given by the college. In case of any mismatch register number login, it will fetch an error of invalid username or register number. As you can see that expected error occurred. By giving the correct register number and the correct login credentials, we can proceed with the student login page. And this is the student login page, which have an answer sheet uploaded by the staff. As you can see this, see the answer script that are uploaded as an code in this dashboard, which is having that subject code, subject name, register number. In this staff portal, we can upload the upload the CAA files. You can see that I am searching for the CAA paper that I have done in the exam hall. Basically, this is a after writing exam in exam hall, they will take print and they will have an PDF of our CAA paper. Then the staff would upload our CAA paper in this staff portal. As you can see that I'm uploading the papers. On single click, I can upload only single PDF. As you can see here, if I want to upload multiple papers as a batch, that is also available here. If I'm having more papers related to the various students, like more students are writing the exam, I can upload all the exam paper by the single click. As you can see that in this staff portal, if the student log into their student portal, they can see their paper. As you can look that the staff uploaded CA paper that we can view as a code in the student login page. As you can see that with the subject code, with the subject name A for games. Let us go to the LMS. This is the LMS that we have created. In this LMS, we have to log in with the student ID. Now the student is searching into the LMS for the CA paper where it is uploaded. Let us see. The LMS site is loading. Let us view that. You can see that we have the LMS page is opened. On my courses, we will have our subjects. As you can see that A for game subject is having in this LMS site. Let me go to that LMS AI for games and upload this AI for games paper in that page. Okay. In this we have a report. This is for something like changing. You can see that there is a bending given by the report. Why it is means in any case of mismatch of some credentials, like you can see that this is happening from the staff side. As you can see that this result can be changed by the staff. Why it is a working report. Now the student is changed, staff portal is resolved, so immediately the student portal will be reflected with the solved report. As you can see here, it is showing us resolved in report. When we see in our LMS portal, we have an CS. We can see that part B and C section we have already uploaded some papers. Let me remove the paper and re-upload this from my student size. It asks for an submit option. On clicking the submit, it will upload the CA paper from the student side to the LMS. This is we have done. which is completely of student control. As you can see that paper submitted successfully. This is the pop-up message. Let me reload the LMS. As you can see that this paper is submitted in our LMS by the student after approving himself in his website.